My dog, she likes something treat. We just got here. Nope. We came from the party. You like something, right? Billy, how are you? Where's Hennessy? Where's Billy? Billy, come over here. Billy, where are you, Billy? Look at that, my Billy. Where's my Billy? Billy, you like something to drink? Oh, my beautiful doggy. Her name is Belly. My beautiful Belly. Here. Hennessy, come over here. These are chicken nuggets. You know, chicken nuggets. Belly, Hennessy. Hennessy, where are you? Come here. Come, Belly. Hennessy, where are you? Come, baby. Oh, that's my beautiful doggy. That's my Belly. Hennessy. Here, Belly. Hennessy. God. You like your treat tonight? Now it's 11:10. Midnight. Almost midnight. Yeah, it's all midnight tonight. We just been from the party. Come on. That's my Billy. That's my Hennessy. That's my Hennessy. Look at my beautiful dog. Hennessy and Billy. We love him, right? We love you, right? Blah, blah, blah. Kiss, 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 Daddy Felix. Kiss, Daddy Felix. Hennessy, Billy. Felix, he's jacking the box. He's come from... Look at this. Do you like this? Normal. It's only two fish. Yep. Okay. Billy, come. 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 Do you like it? You like it, baby? Huh? Look at it. Look at Daddy Felix and you. Woo. Woo. Do you miss me and Mommy Claire? Love Bailey. That's my beautiful doggy Bailey. And the other one is Hennessy, my beautiful doggy. Come on, Bailey. Hennessy, come. Okay, here's your teeth. And the other one. Hey. Let me see. No more. No mas. Say thank you, Daddy Felix. Thank you, Daddy Felix. No, thank you for the treat, no? For your pasalubong. Pasalubong na. Oh. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.